$3 million. PNP President urges government to double the income tax threshold. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, what issues are affecting PNP supporters? More details from the party's conference. And dysfunctional and chaotic, Prime Minister criticizes an area now under Azoso. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.